Okay, so these extension learners are going to first start out with that same brain pop video, just like the other two groups, just because you can never have too many reminders, too many refreshers, and because it gives them an opportunity to recall that same prior knowledge that these other students have with what they've learned so far in place value. So, like I mentioned before, this video will go over the ones, the tens, and hundreds. It will also mention the thousands, but it won't talk too much about it. And none of these groups will even talk about the thousands, but especially for these learners that are above grade level, it's a good thing for them to be introduced to at least. So with their center, they have the same concept. They're doing the same activity. It just goes a little bit farther than the last ones. So this activity is the same. They have to roll their dice, except for this time they have 3 place values. They're going up to the hundreds this time. So just as you can see here, they're rolling the same dice. They're just rolling it 3 times to create a 3-digit number. So I roll it once, and I got a 2. So I will fill out this 100 spot with the number 2. Just like I had before, and I'll roll it again. I got a 5. So the 5 will go in the 10 spot. And then one more time, I got another 5. So a 5 will go in the 1 spot then. And then just like in the last group, they will have to then draw the hundreds cubes, the 10 sticks, and then the ones cubes as well. So they have 2 hundreds blocks in this case, and 5 10 sticks, and then 5 ones cubes. So that's what their first number would look like. And then they also have to expand it. So the 2 in the 100 spot is actually 200. The 5 in the 10 spot is actually 50. And then the 5 in the 5 spots is still 5, which makes the 255. So again, just repeated practice on what each of those look like. And then again, they'd have to roll another number. So we got a 6. Again, we got a 2. And then one more time, we got a 1. So we have 6 100 blocks. And then just 2 10 sticks. And then just 1 ones cubes. And then the 6 in the 100 spot is actually 600. The 2 in the in the 10 spot, it's actually 20. And then the 1 in the 1 spot is 1, which is how we get the 621. So just like in the on-level grade group, they're going to take the 2 numbers they created with the outcome of the dice, which our first number was 255. And the second number was 621. And then the last thing they have to do for this sheet here, for this chart, is just fill out the greater than, less than, or equal to. So the students at this point would know that 6 is greater than 2 in the 100 spot, so 621 is greater than 255. Students then can erase it, start over, and do this however many times they want. Especially with a 3-digit number, the likelihood of getting the same number twice is so unlikely, so students won't get bored doing the same activity over and over again. And then it'll get them lots of practice showing different variations of different combinations of numbers, and then also practicing the value of a certain place value so that they can compare those numbers.